Alright, my friends, it's time to open up another mini ball. I hope we get some eggs or cheese today. Ooh, we got a new hot dog magnet. That's a new one. We don't have that one yet. We'll put our wiener on the fridge here. Alright, come on, some cheese. We need some cheese. As always, we got our list of all the goodies you can get. So fingers crossed we get some goodies. Another fish. We're gonna eat fish like every day. Another milk. We're gonna have like milk coming out our yin yang. We already have the milk coming out the yin yang. This is like our 6th milk, I think. Come on, eggs. What do we got? We got sushi! That's a new one. That's very cool. That's very cool. Alright, it makes up for all the bazillion milks we've got. Alright, what else? Another pizza. My lord, our fridge is full of pizza. At least this one's a plain pie. We don't have a plain pie. We have a lot of pepperoni in there, but we don't have cheese. So now we have a cheese pizza. What we got here? Ooh, a Worcestershire sauce. We don't have this one yet. How freaking cute is that? So itty bitty. I love it. Alright, last one. Ooh, we got some Italian dressing. We don't have this one yet either, so we did pretty good. We finally got some new stuff. I mean, we got more milk, but we got the sushi, we got the Worcestershire sauce, and we got some Italian dressing. Those are all new. And